Okay, question 11. Instead of adding 6, we would take away 6. We need to do our opposites. So 5x would equal 10. Instead of timesing by 5, I would divide by 5. So x would be 2. And you can always go back and check. 5 times 2 is 10. Add 6 is 16. Simplifying, our letters have to be the same. So I got 2c add 2c, which is 4c's. 5d add 1d would be 6d's. Finding the value, x plus y would be 2 plus 8, which is 10. And then I need to times by 3, so 3 times 10 is 30. Write an expression for multiplying b by 2, so that's 2 times b, and then subtract a, take away a. Find the output of this number machine. So we've got 32 going in. I'm going to take away 17. 32 take away 17 would leave me with 15. Okay, this is remembering that if they're the same signs, we add, and if they're different, we subtract. So because they're different in the middle, we subtract. Subtract if different. Minus 3 minus 8 would be minus 11. Using this fact to answer this question, so you look to see how the number has changed. This number has been divided by 10. This number hasn't changed. So I'm going to have to divide my answer by 10. So dividing my answer by 10 would be 366.018. To find the mean, we need to add up all the numbers and then divide by how many. So finding the mean of this group of people, if I add them all up, it comes to 276. Divided by 8 will give you an answer of 34.5. So that is the mean of the 8 people. So if someone joins who's 31, that will then bring that mean down. It will decrease it because their age is smaller than that average. So it will decrease. Metric units for liquids are millilitres and litres. So the best one for a kettle would be litres. 12 out of 30 people chose their favourite colour is blue. What angle would we use? Well, on a pie chart, we're trying to make 360, so I want that fraction of 360. So just remembering to divide by the bottom times by the top. So if we divide by 30, 360 divided by 30 will give you 12. Times in by the top, 12 times 12 is 144.